Hey everyone, Scott from Lynoka Garage Door Company here, and just wanted to show you something that's always a problem with wooden garage doors or old garage doors. You see the bottom rail for the garage door itself? That's where all the tension is held, and that ripped off because it's rotted and it's old. Let me show you what I mean. So in this door here, the bottom rail, is still there, and this bracket here is what holds all the tension for the springs. Although these doors are really, really old, this could have been prevented. That's what happens when you don't do annual maintenance, you don't do any preventative maintenance, you don't take care of the doors at all. So when the doors start to get old, they need love, they need attention. You can prevent this with an annual service, an annual preventative maintenance call, and we can take care of this for you. Give us a call when you get a chance, 857-209-6904.